Welcome back to the Lifeline HMS tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the complete nurse configuration module. To add a new nurse, go to the Users section from your dashboard and select Nurse from the left-hand menu. You'll first see a list of all previously added nurses. From here, you can view their basic details, check their status, or click on any name to edit their complete profile. To add a new nurse, click on Add Nurse at the top right. This opens a multi-section form where you'll be entering their personal and professional details. In the Personal Information section, fill in the nurse's first and last name, email, phone number, ID number, gender, and date of birth. These details help identify the nurse within the system and enable smooth communication. Next, complete the Professional Details section. Here, you can set the nurse's department, designation, and joining date. In Salary and Payroll, you can enter the nurse's basic salary. This helps keep payroll records accurate and ensures smooth salary processing. In Salary and Payroll, you'll see an Admin Managed option. If this box is checked, the nurse's shifts and schedule configurations will be controlled directly by the administrator. Next, fill in the Address Details section. Enter the nurse's full address, including city, state, postal code, and country. Once all sections are completed, click Submit at the bottom. The nurse will immediately appear in the nurse list along with all existing staff. To edit any nurse later, simply click on their name from the list, make the necessary changes, and click Update to save. You can also add a new address if the nurse has moved or their contact information has changed. In the Certifications section, you can add the nurse's credentials. Click Add New Certification. Enter the certification name, issuing organization, and issue and expiry dates. Click Submit to save. You can also add education details. Click Add New Degree. Enter the degree name, such as Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BSN, the level, the institution, and the graduation date. Then click Submit to save it. Now, let's move into the Configuration section for nurses. This is where you manage their general settings, department responsibilities, and shift schedules. In the General Configuration tab, you can update key details such as the nurse's joining date, salary, department, and designation. In Manage Departments option, you can assign the nurse as a manager of a particular department. This gives them additional access and responsibility for that department, such as overseeing tasks, assisting with department operations, or coordinating activities within that unit. Now, let's move to the Schedule tab. Here you can view the nurse's assigned shifts and overall working schedule. To assign a shift, click on Assign Shift, then choose the appropriate shift from the available list. Afterwards, click the Save button to confirm and apply the shift assignment. You can add new shifts and also review and edit their existing schedule to ensure it fits your hospital's workload requirements. And that's it! You now know how to add nurses, edit their profiles, manage certifications and degrees, and configure their shifts and department settings in Lifeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more Lifeline guides and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.